What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing pack opening on Pacybits, obviously. There's a lightning round out, and I have 2 accounts, so we'll be opening every single pack. If you're wondering why my hair is down, yeah, it's staying down for this video. So these are the players that are out. I don't know what those cards are called. Like, I can't find it anywhere. Foot 19 it says in the background, so wait, actually, I could go to collections right now and find out, hopefully. Swap deals rewards. Rolana Oshirari, Taco. Oh, this was on their Twitter. Okay. Somehow this account did not get the coins wiped off from the hack that I did, so I just not the hack, the glitch. So I just got 46 million on this account. So yeah, this may turn into my main account, but only 320 players. But we're gonna start with the special packs, because why not? Because they're not good anyway. Icon first pack. Inform Brazil. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! What the heck? Oh my gosh! '93 Inform Neymar. Oh my gosh, we got him. Let's go! In the second special pack. Okay, yeah. Mandzukic, what the heck? That's so good! 86! No, these are the actual Inform packs. Okay. Yes, we gotta walk out. It's an icon! It's an icon! It's an icon! English. Striker. Come on, come on, come on. Maybe over 90. 87 shooter? Yes, it is 87 shooter. Jeez, let's go. 87. Icon. Shearer. Yeah. Second account. We'll open up the 2 special packs first. Golden. Second special pack. Let's go. Dang it! Gondor. In the weak packs now. This still has a good chance. Royce, 86 Royce, yes. Okay, he is good. I will take him. Blow. Fernals. Yes, walk out, walk out. Gold walk out though. It's fine. What the heck? Oh my gosh. What, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, we gotta walk out. Let's go. Brazil. Coutinho, oh my gosh. Why was I thinking that Neymar was just gonna pop up? I forgot Coutinho existed. If Neymar just popped up and it was like, they forgot to make the PSG one and made the Barcelona one, I would have broke something. That window. Walk out again! It's gold, but it's fine. Argentina. Oh my god. If that was Messi, I'm thankful it's not, because I would have had a heart attack. I'm honestly like, okay, Dybala, that's insane. That's still insane. Yes, I would have just literally just jumped out tomorrow. But this has to be the greatest pack opening so far in Pacybits. I got 93 Inform Neymar. I got an icon. 87. And we got Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh. But I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, like, follow my Instagram, etor.yt. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.